Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rosie. Today we will be cash planning my February week 2 paycheck. So let's grab our cash planning sheet. And start planning where all my cash will be going. So let's grab our calculator. Okay, so 210 is what we will be cash planning this week. So let's make sure we do our high priority envelopes first. So my high priority envelopes is Elizabeth, maternity leave, and car right now because I really need those things before the baby comes. So 210 minus 50. Oh no, I want to put 51 because she has like 279 right now in her envelope because I spent some to get her more like baby clothes and like washcloths and stuff. So minus 1, right? 210 minus 51. Yep. Then maternity leave's going to get, I think it has like 67. So let's do 13 to balance it out. Make it an even number. Car is going to get 10. And then after those, I had to go to my savings challenges. So 2026, I'm gonna budget $5. Love hearts, I'm going to budget $2. Sweet treats, $2. Cupid's gifts is my $5 challenge, so $5. And now we gotta go to my savings challenges binder and do scratcher. Where'd my coin go? Okay, so let's see which two we get. So let's do this one. $6, and then this one $5. So that's 11. Take the dust off. So we got a budget 11. Oh my gosh, everything's moving. Okay. And then got budget $20 for gas, buffer 10. I will be going out to eat with my sisters this weekend for Valentine's Day, so I want to budget out $20. Oh, I haven't been minusing, so 2010 minus 51 minus 13 minus 10 minus 20 minus 10 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 11, and then minus 20. So then let's do $60 for grocery, and then the last dollar will be $1 savings. Okay. Now we just gotta do our tallies. Let me put dashes on these. Okay, so 20, 1, 2, 3, 25 and 5 ones. 1, 2, okay, 13, 10, then down here, 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, and then 11. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 20s. So that's 140. Yeah, 140. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, which is $40. Then 1, 2, 3, 5, 15, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ones, $15. So 140 plus 40 plus 15 plus 15 equals 210. Okay, awesome. So I'm going to go to the bank and pull out this amount of cash. Okay. I will see you guys next time when I cash stuff this into my envelopes. Bye.